today we're gonna make a typical German dish. It's actually one of my favorites. Always when I go to Germany, I have to have German Kaesespaetzle. And on my last visit to Germany, one of my good friends gave me this nifty little kitchen gadget, and this one will help you to make our beautiful dish today. Don't worry if you don't have this one, you can also make it by hand, and I will also leave a link in the description below where you can buy this little kitchen gadget. Welcome to Sweetest Cooking. My name is Anke and it is so lovely to see you. Now if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my cooking channel. But now, without further ado, let's make those amazing, beautiful and tasty German Kaesespaetzle. smells amazing. I just love it. It's so yummy, so easy to make and just delicious. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a go. Honestly, it's very easy to make and it tastes fantastic. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and I hope to see you in my next video where I'm gonna show you how to make delicious filled cabbage rolls. In German, Deutsche Kohlrouladen, filled with a beautiful meat stuffing. I hope to see you there. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.